Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. Oh my god. This is yeah, spectacular as always. And over here, this is Jean-Pierre. It's a mountain you can see from Pau. Another beautiful morning, beautiful Tuesday morning. I'm with the group Université du Temps Libre, which means free time university. This is the second Tuesday that I go with them, and this time I chose lighter distance, so I will do about 7.5 kilometers and only 700 meters of ascent. That's because on Tuesdays in the evening I have a tango as well, and if I do 15 kilometers hike in the mountains, then the tango is very difficult. Are much greener than I'm used to see in this part of the mountains. I'm guessing they're staying quite humid throughout the year. That's why they can keep this green. I've seen many mushrooms here also. Don't know if they are edible or not, but yes, there are plenty for those who like collecting them. Might be a good place to come. Judging by the color of the leaves and the overall golden tint of the landscape, it's autumn. It's getting even more beautiful. First pit stop, yes, and here you can see the colors that are changing. Oui, bien sûr, même la vidéo, ravi. Today we have many muddy places like this, trying to find a way around them. Here, and this is the peak we have come to see. Today we started at the Lac Bious-Artigues. Our destination is on the other side of the mountain, Lac de Fabrèges. This is my French group that are trying to say Latvian to say hello to my family. Et c'est parti, we go down. I am impressed with today's hike. It's amazing, these views. I dig the autumn vibe as well. From one beautiful mountain to another. We have arrived at the cabane. Let's check out what's inside there. So this is the cabane de Cheru. Visite terminée.
La visite est terminée. Les pourboires sont interdits. Merci, messieurs, dames, merci.
Forests like these are not very typical in this part of the France. They remind me more of the forest of Latvia. That's yeah, where I'm from, for those who didn't know. I haven't had a walk in a forest like this for a long time. Weather was much nicer than we expected. Yeah, it was a beautiful autumn day. So this is a European project. They put things around stones so they don't fall on trail or on people. And we are back in civilization now. There's the road and the cars and the noise it makes. And our bus was supposed to be down there and it's not there. We just hike home, don't worry. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to follow me on this journey to explore Pyrenees. See you next time.